Assalamualaikum and good morning, young readers. How are you today? I hope that all of you are good and healthy. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you English, and I'm using this book, Letters Reader 2. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the sound of letter A until letter F. From A until F. The sound of letter A until F. Okay, we'll start with the first letter. This is letter A. And the sound of letter A is eh. Eh. A. Eh. A. Eh. Eh. X. Eh. Eh. X. Eh. Apple. Apple. So, this is letter A, and the sound of letter A is eh. X. A sharp X. Apple. A red apple. Okay, good. So, I want to ask you, what is the sound of letter A? What is the sound of letter A? Good. A. Okay. We proceed to the next letter. Okay, this is letter B. Letter B. And the sound of letter B is B. 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 So, bell. Bell. Balloon. Ballooned. Bell. A yellow bell. Balloon. A blue balloon. So, what is the sound of letter B? Very good. The sound of letter B is B. B. Okay. We go to the next letter, which is letter C. So, C, K. C, K. C, K. K. Cow. K. Cow. K. Cow. And the next one. K. Carrot. K. Carrot. K. Carrot. C. K. C. K. K. Cow. A big cow. C. K. K. Carrot. A small carrot. So, what is the sound of letter C? Very good. The sound of letter C is K. K. Okay. We go to the next letter, which is letter D. This is letter D. Alright. D. 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 Doll. D. Doll. D. Doll. Okay, next one. D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. So, what is the sound of letter D? D. Very good. D. D. Doll. A pretty doll. A pretty doll. D. Dolphin. D. Dolphin. A dolphin. A dolphin. Okay, good. So I'm going to ask you, what is the sound of letter D? Very good. The sound of letter D is D. Okay, so we go to the next letter, that is letter F. No, letter E. Alright. E. This is letter E. And the sound of letter E is also. E, E, right? E, elbow, elbow, elbow. Next one, envelope, envelope, envelope. So this is letter E, and the sound of letter E is elbow, my elbow. Right? Envelope, a yellow envelope. Okay, so now I'm going to ask you, what is the sound of letter E? Very good. E, The sound of letter E is Okay, we go to the last letter, that is F. The sound of letter F is fish, fish, fish. Very good. Next one, ferry, ferry, ferry. Alright, so F, so fish, 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 a red fish, fish, a red fish. Ferry, ferry, a ferry. Fish, ferry. Okay, so I'm going to ask you, what is the sound of letter F? Alright, well done. The sound of letter F is so we're going to make some revision. Alright, can you remember what is this? Is it X or apple? Is it X or apple? Very good. The answer is apple. Next one, letter B. What is the sound of letter B? B. B, B. So, this is a balloon. So, which one is balloon? Is it this one or this one? This one is ballooned bell. Ballooned bell. So, which one is correct answer? The answer is ballooned. Very good. Okay, the next one, letter C. K. K. So, is it cow or carrot? Cow or carrot? Okay, the answer is carrot. This one, carrot. The next one, this is letter D. 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 So, this is a doll or a dolphin? Is it a doll or a dolphin? Very good. The answer is doll. Doll. Alright, next one. This is letter E. E. So, is this an elbow or An envelope. Yes, envelope. Envelope. Okay, the last one, letter F. F. So, is it a fairy or a fish? Fairy, fish. Very good. The answer is fairy. So, going to revise the sound of letter A until F. Okay. The first one, letter A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F. Okay, that's all for today's video. See you next time. Bye.